Welcome to our channel. Master English Academy. Your way to master your English. Listen and repeat after me slowly. Listen and repeat after me slowly. Are you certain about it? Are you certain about it? Yes, I am certain. Yes, I am certain. I'm mad at his behavior. I'm mad at his behavior. I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's too late now. It's too late now. What time is it? What time is it? What's up? What's up? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I'm so sorry, but this will never happen again. I'm so sorry, but this will never happen again. I don't mind. I don't mind. I'm delighted to hear that. I'm delighted to hear that. I wish it never happened. I wish it never happened. I'm absolutely sure. I'm absolutely sure. It's very nice of you. It's very nice of you. Let me help you. Let me help you. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Thanks, I'll do it. Thanks, I'll do it. I don't think so. I don't think so. Can you explain why you were so late? Can you explain why you were so late? I'm mad at his behavior. I'm mad at his behavior. The road to success is not smooth. The road to success is not smooth. Don't promise what you can't do. Don't promise what you can't do.